Remember when you told me you believe in something and you said you're done pretending that fate is patient. Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back when you're older. Go find a place where you can't be the victim.
We're back here at the bus. We got a couple walls put up yesterday, and we got a fridge. And we tried painting the windows to black them out for where we're going to put up walls, and it didn't work. So we're scraping that off, and then we're applying vinyl on the other windows, and then we'll redo these windows in vinyl as well. Today we also have some extra help. Travis.
Feel that this is your beginning. Will colors fade, but it's okay. There is good in changes. Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back when you're older. Go find a place where you can't be the victim. And come back when you're older. Go catch the storm within your broken bones and be wild, 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 wild.
Completely forgot about recording today, but I started a little bit. We're going to cover up the last panels that we have to just cover up. They're just kind of things that I've been putting off for a while. Over here by the door, we're going to put some insulation in here and then panel that. I was also, the inverter makes a bit of noise, so I want to put a door up in between, and I think if I can get away with it, and I'm going to try using this pallet wood out here that I got and I cut for the door and kind of do like a barn door kind of look for the bathroom. We'll see how it turns out. If it turns out good, then we'll use it. If not, we'll do something else. But I think it'll be kind of cool. And it'll be like one of the only wood accents that we have in the bus. So here we go. We are back here at the bus. I did some stuff yesterday that I didn't get on camera. I didn't have a tripod for most of the day, and so we got some more bunks in. We're gonna put drawers down here. I also got a bunch of stuff from the store. Some electrical to run our outlets, some PEX pipe to run all of our water. We got the water tanks in yesterday. Today I'm gonna focus on getting this bathroom door hung. So I'm gonna sand it all down and hopefully make it look a little bit better than it is. And go around to the outside of the bus where we mounted our water tanks yesterday. So we also get this guy in. And then underneath we mounted our water tank, and I ran some PEX line just temporarily just to see how it all was going to kind of hook up. And yeah, so I was kind of working on my inverter today. It keeps over voltaging, thinking it's over voltage, and turning off on me. But besides that, we'll get busy. Alright, we got our door pretty much in. We don't have a door stop yet, but opens pretty decently. A little bit of drag on the front, but I think you can dial it in a little bit later. But got it so it should be able to shut all the way around. See how well that goes.